Hey, Viper 5-5, this is Courage 5, you are clear to engage.
5-5, roger. Go ahead, please, shoot.
And firing. Missiles away. Closet gun. There's some guys squirted running off.
Wait 4 calls, roger.
We're inbound.
Roger, we're inbound.
Alright.
Pushmaster, wait 4 calls, roger.
You're in for 30, I'll fall in on your 6.
He's running toward a house.
Only got one of them.
Okay.
It's inside. Spot right here.
As they're currently moving east, one of the individuals has a backpack on.
Right there.
And Viper 5-5, tally personnel.
Roger, you're clear to engage. Initials are Sierra Delta, over.
Viper 5-5, understand, clear to engage, Sierra Delta. Closet gun. Azimuth limit.
Okay, coming around.
Roger. And firing. And firing. And firing. And firing.
You just blew up something.
Power line. And firing one more. Alright, sensing. Alright, there's one, and there's the other.
Yep.